If you're a business owner and you're spending money on ads, but you're still not getting the results that you're looking for, then this video is for you. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can convert most of the leads that you're generating from your paid ads and convert them into paying customers with the help of AI. Now, if you stick till the end of the video, then you will also receive a free gift, and this will definitely be valuable for your business if you're willing to take the action. Now, the main goal here is to ensure that every lead that is being generated throughout your paid ads is being contacted as fast as possible with the help of AI. There's also a study that says that if a lead is being contacted within the first minute after they get in touch with your business, then the chances of converting the lead increases by 391%. I'm not kidding. If you can also search it up in the internet if you want. But yeah, let's just hop right into it. So my name is Manzarul. I help businesses adopt AI, which helps them get more customers, drive more revenue, and I also help them automate most of the tasks in their business so that they can also focus on the task which gives them the most leverage. Now, without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Now, what's actually broken in the traditional follow-up system? Businesses are spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on Facebook or Instagram ads, but the leads are going hours and hours, if not even days, without any single follow-up. So let's say your business is generating hundreds of leads every day throughout Facebook ads. Now, out of those 100 leads, maybe let's say 40 or 50% of the leads are being contacted, or let's say 50 or 60 of the leads are being contacted, and other 40 of the leads, they're getting completely untouched. No one is reaching out to them, and this is basically costing your business a lot of money because you could have converted at least a certain percentage of those clients into paying customers, and that could have driven additional revenue for your business. Now, in that case, sales reps can also be overloaded at times, and they could simply miss out on leads, and they also often follow up pretty late, and manual follow up is slow, like I said, and they're basically inconsistent and error prone. And most leads even forget that they filled out a form or they even saw your business in the first place by the time someone from your team actually reaches out to them. And leads go cold within minutes if not contacted instantly. This is actually very important because it's 2025, or if you're not reaching out to your leads fast enough, then the chances of them switching to your competitor or just choosing another service, this chance increases significantly. And maybe you also have no system in place to guarantee that every lead is being reached out to. This is very important that your business runs on a system that whenever a lead opts in into your form or the funnel, then in that case the lead is being contacted immediately, and ad spend is being wasted because follow-up fails. I mean, you're spending money on ads, but what for? I mean, yeah, you are getting a lot of customers, but you could be converting even more. But as maybe your sales reps are tired, or maybe they're simply not able to actually reach out to all of the leads by themselves, in that case your system is simply failing. So I'm basically talking about this. So let's say I'm going through Facebook and I find a form like this, and then I want to learn more about this product or service, so I click on learn more, and then I get forwarded to a page like this where I fill in all the details, and then once I do, someone from the team basically reaches out to me. Now that could take a lot of time. So this is the traditional process as to how businesses used to operate previously. And now, what is the cost of slow follow-up? You are 21 times less likely to qualify a lead if you contact them after 30 minutes. You can see out the number over here. This is pretty big because you are 21 times less likely, meaning that if you are not reaching out to them within the first 30 minutes, then the chance of converting them drops down to 21 times, or whatever you call it. And calling a lead within the first minute increases the conversion rate by 391%. So this is, I definitely didn't make this up. I actually put out the mention over here. You can actually Google this up if you want, and just search it up for yourself. This data is definitely real, and if you want to actually stay in business, especially in this competitive market, then you have to ensure that the leads are being reached out to as fast as possible. And 78% of the customers buy from the first company that contacts them. You get that, right? So leads go cold after 5 minutes. Speed matters more than ever. This is the age of AI, and speed is everything over here. I'll coming to this point real quick. Just give me a moment. And 50% of the leads are never contacted at all due to manual processes, like I explained previously. Let's compare the two systems. So firstly, this is the traditional manual follow-up system. So basically you're running Facebook ads, and then someone clicks on the ad, and then the lead fills out the form, and then they click on the submit button, and then once they submit the form, the information on the form gets transferred to a CRM, and that the CRM gets updated. That's pretty good. And then after that, you'll have to wait till your sales rep actually reaches out to them, they follow up to them, and then if the sales rep actually calls them, maybe the lead is cold, because by the time the sales rep actually reaches out to them, it's been like over an hour, and the lead has no interest in actually, getting in touch with the business anymore, or maybe they just switch to your competitor. So that's how it works. And now let's just focus on the new follow-up system now. This is basically where you're simply implementing AI to ensure that the lead is being communicated as fast as possible. And I'm going to show you how this works step by step so that you have a very clear understanding of this. And I hope you guys are following up with me, because I'm trying to explain this as simply as possible. So this is the new follow-up system. And let's say you're running Facebook ads, and then the lead fills out the form. And then your CRM is getting updated. And after that, an AI agent will call the lead immediately. Basically, let's say I submitted the form right now, and right after the 10 seconds after I submitted the form, I'll get a phone call from an AI, which will basically speak like a human. It will be trained on the data of your business, so that if the lead talks like something which is out of the box, which is unrelated to your business, that is, if the lead is even able to understand that this is an AI speaking. So in that case, yeah, it will be trained specifically for a business. Also, it will be able to record all the conversations as well, so that you can check it out, and it will be able to update the CRM immediately if the lead is qualified. So let's say if the lead gets qualified throughout the AI will speak like a human. It will do all of that the sales rep usually do, and then it will just qualify the lead and then book the appointment. And let's say if the appointment wasn't booked, or let's say the lead basically missed out on the phone call, then the AI can also follow up with them multiple times after that. And if the appointment is booked, then the CRM gets updated by AI, and after that your sales rep can take over the next part of the process. And I hope that makes sense. The main key over here, the main goal of implementing AI over here, is not to make it look fancy that we're implementing AI, but the main goal is to ensure that every single lead is being contacted as fast as possible within the first minute, of course. So this basically will help you increase the chances of converting them significantly. So this is what we call speed to lead, all right? So instantly connects with every lead after form submission, calls leads via AI voice agent within the first or 1 or 2 minutes, and then qualifies the lead using your preset logic. And it can also book appointments, answer questions, or even transfer the call to a human. We can also do that for you. And it also works 24/7, meaning if a lead submits a form at the middle of the night, then the AI will also get in touch with them at, let's say, at 3 p.m., the 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. of the night. So yeah, that's how cool it is. And the AI can also be integrated with your CRM, your Facebook ads, and your website form as well. And why does this actually change everything for you? Let me explain this step by step. This basically means higher ROI on every dollar spent on your ads. Like I said, this will, once you have this AI implemented in your system, this will ensure that not a single lead is being missed ever again. You will also be able to convert more leads without increasing any ad spend. No need to hire any more sales reps for follow-up. Let's say you are running ads, you're generating thousands of leads, or let's say 10,000 of leads. One single AI agent can actually handle all of the leads by itself. That's how effective it is. So this basically means that you can fire a sales rep, or maybe you can just let your sales rep focus on the more important tasks that could drive more leverage for your business. And then it will also run your sales funnel 24/7 even while you sleep. And you will also be able to scale faster and more efficiently with the automation process. And this means that you will also be able to book more qualified appointments without lifting a single finger. This is how powerful it actually is. Now, what do you actually get with this system? This means that every lead gets contacted instantly. I hope you get this idea by now. It increases your conversion rates, and then you will also be able to drive more revenue from the exact same ad spend. Basically, having the system means that you're spending the same money on ads, let's say $100 or let's say thousands of dollars every day on ads, but you're generating more revenue because you're converting even more leads than you previously did. and then you are also saving a lot of time for your team, and this is basically a full automation process, and there is no chance of human error at all. And this is a modern sales process built for 2025, because this is the age of AI and every single business is starting to implement AI one way or another. So it's your time. Basically, it's now or never. And also you might have a lot of questions such as, what if the lead doesn't pick up? And like I explained previously, the AI will follow up multiple times, let's say 5 or 6 times. We can actually program that accordingly to how many times should the AI actually follow up to that lead. And can it really qualify leads properly? Yes, definitely, because it's fully customizable based on your business logic. And if you have a script that your sales team or that your sales rep usually follow, we can also train the AI based on that script that you guys follow, so that it can speak based on your brand voice. And will it sound robotic? No, because it uses natural voice scripts and even pauses like a human. Now, if you actually want to see a demo about this and how this would actually look like for your business, then you can actually book a free strategy call with me in the description down below. This is only for action takers, and if you're a business owner who is actually genuinely interested by this system and you want to see how this would look like for your business, then you can actually book a free strategy call. This is basically where I will personally go through your entire business processes, see how it actually runs, and where would the AI fit the best for your business and be able to generate most of the results for you, so that you can make more money while you sleep. That's how it is. Now, you have nothing to lose but all to gain from this call. Let's say if things don't align, but you will be walking away from the call with a lot of knowledge as to how AI could actually transform your business, or how can you actually leverage AI into your business from now on. So basically, you have nothing to lose from this call, right? And also, if you have specific questions before booking, then feel free to email me at this, and I basically read all the emails by myself, and I respond to every email as I possibly can. So if you have any specific question before booking a call with me, then yeah, you can also drop it down at the email. And if you're interested in booking the call, then you will be forwarded to a page like this, where you will be able to just answer some of the questions, some pre-qualifying questions, because we don't work with everyone. So we have to understand that you are a good fit for us, and we can actually help you and we actually have what you're looking for. So in that case, yeah, we have some pre-qualifying questions. So once you fill that up, we will schedule a call with you, and yeah, we'll see you soon. But that's it for today's video. I usually post technical videos, but this is a very non-technical video where I explain everything step by step in a, let's say, presentation slide format or whatever you want to call it. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And if you guys actually found this video valuable, then feel free to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.